Hey everyone! If you want to see a complete history of all of the games that you've ever played on your Roblox account, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just get started. So we can start by definitely going to Roblox Player. For that, open it up. You can access Roblox Player or go to roblox.com as well, whatever you prefer. And you will be finding this particular screen right there. So if you want to go ahead and look out for the games that you've recently played, usually in this section, when you scroll a bit, you can find a continue section. You can hit it up, and there, when I go ahead, you will be finding all of the lists that you've already, these are the games that you have played on Roblox. These one right here. That should probably tell you the games that you played on Roblox, but sometimes it may not be accurate as well. So if you want to look out for other methods, what you can do is you can go over and go to your inventory. So look out for more option and click on it, and go over to the section for inventory. And within inventory, you can just go over and look out for the option for badges and click on it. After you go to badges over here you will be finding all of the badges. Each badge link will take you to the game that issued it, and allowing you to see the games that you played years ago as well. So you can look out for phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, according to what game you have played. And once you do so, you will be getting a badge, and it will represent each of the game that you've already played on your Roblox. This is one of the methods available. Apart from that, you can search for your browser history as well. Sometimes you can go over to your browser, and within your browser, you can filter out your history. You can just go over and search for the term roblox.com/games and hit enter. When you do, that should probably take you to a section for the history available for the games that you've currently played. And that's it. Those are probably the solutions you can follow up pretty quick and easy. You can try it out to look out for that. And there are some limitations to consider, like Roblox default recent category on the home page typically only stores roughly the last 50 games played and does not fully offer the archive. So you can look out for badges and something like that, or deleted games won't be shown as well. So you can follow up this process to go ahead and see all the games that you've ever played. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.